Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to focus on taking care of a tired voice. Talking too much, singing too loud, or speaking in noisy places can make your voice feel tight and tired. But don't worry, we're going to do 3 easy vocal exercises to help your voice relax, release tension, and feel alive again. Today, we'll do humming to warm up your voice gently. 2. NG sound to help your vocal cords move freely. And last exercise, the vocal fry to relax and stretch your vocal cords softly. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Humming is one of the softest ways to wake up your voice. It helps your vocal cords move and vibrate gently, which is perfect for tired voices. When your voice is tired, your vocal cords can feel stiff or dry. Humming increases blood flow and vibration, making your voice feel smooth and awake. First, take a deep breath. Let your belly expand. Close your lips and make a gentle Feel the vibrations in your face, in your lips, nose. Slowly slide up and down. Keep it soft. Don't push. Like no. Take a yawn before and after humming. Notice how your throat opens up. Humming helps your vocal cords move freely, while yawning opens your throat and reduces tension. Next up, NG sound. Sound is the end of the word sing. Is excellent for helping your voice move freely. Sing. Hold the NG at the end. Sing. Feel the sound vibrate in the back of your mouth and nose. If you pinch your nose, sing. The sound stops. Sing. Yes. Sing. No. Combining NG and yawns is a soft, natural way to exercise your vocal cords without straining. Relax. Of course, you can mix NG, N, and M sound. Last one, vocal fry. Vocal fry is a soft, creaky sound at the bottom of your voice. Make a low, creaky sound like this. Vocal fry should feel lazy and easy, not forced, like this. No way. Very gentle. Today we did humming, NG, vocal fry, and yawn. You can do these vocal exercises daily or anytime your voice feels tired. Think of it like giving your vocal cords a little massage. Thanks for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more vocal warm-ups and vocal tips. If you want more vocal exercises, you can check out my full vocal warm-up playlist. Until then, see you next time.